Hey guys, welcome back. Been on a little hiatus the last week or so. That's why I haven't pumped out a video. I had quite a bit of extracurricular stuff going on. But anyhow, today is a very special day. I'm going to get something that I've wanted to get for, well, my whole life. So anyhow, we're going to go pick it up, and I will show you the video of it after we get her all picked up. Enjoy. This is a 10,000 pound forward car hoist I picked up used. I found it on Facebook Marketplace. A shop in Tacoma is going out of business, or well, as if you're watching this, they are out of business. Anyhow, so I got a really good deal on it. It's American made. It's really solid. Brand new cables. The hydraulic lines are all in really good shape. Overall, it's been very well taken care of. It's not beat up at all. And I'm really super duper happy about this. This is kind of a deal changer as far as getting side jobs done, doing videos. I can do a lot more tutorials now that I can actually get under the vehicle and show you what I'm doing versus crawling around on the ground. As you can see there, Nick's drilling the holes out so that we can put the concrete anchors in, and we basically just got the anchor bolts for now, and worst case scenario, if they don't work, we'll put some epoxy all thread in there if that doesn't work. Fantastic. Alright, so after hitting it really hard last night and today, we pretty much got it done. Got all the anchor bolts in and got them torqued down properly. Got the hydraulics all hooked up. Got the power ran. And even got the safety wire all hooked up. Ran it all up to a junction box just like it was done at the shop, and then of course ran it all the way over to a dedicated 220 30 amps breaker. But got everything all set up, got the cables all pretty adjusted, about as tight as I want to get them. We're gonna obviously run this thing a couple times and make sure that they're tensioned properly. But we did run it up and down a couple times. There's no hydraulic leaks or anything like that. And everything seems to check out A-OK. Fantastic. Pretty big deal. It did come with all the little stands and everything too, so I can make these higher or lower depending on running boards and crap like that. Anyhow, pretty freaking cool. Pretty freaking cool. Well, the hoist turned out fantastic. It went really seamless. I got to give a special thanks to Scott Rawson and Nick Camp, and of course Nick Kopecki for helping me do this. Without them, this would not have even remotely been possible. So I owe those guys, I owe them a lot of lift time or something. So anyhow, I thank you guys for helping me. get this in and make this dream come true. So anyhow, it all works like it's supposed to. We ran it a couple times, as I just stated, to make sure everything was happy, and it is totally golden. It works just like it's supposed to. We'll go ahead and put a car on it here later on. I'll do a separate video for that. I'm just running out of time today, so I want to at least get this video out so you guys can enjoy it. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't done so. Really helps the channel out a lot if you could do that for me. And I really appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time.